Alright, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And yesterday, if you recall, we started our new module, the for loop module, and today we're going to wrap everything up. So let's have a look at what we're going to be going over. So before we reset the list of funders to nothing, we will loop through it and reset the balances there. Note, there are a couple of different ways we can reset the hash map. For this contract, we're going to go with the for each loop. This is how we're going to do that. So we have for funder, address, and self.funders. Self.funder to amount funded, funder equals 0. And here we're saying that we want to manually reset the value or amount funded by each funder in our funders address listed to the value or amount of 0. Now, doing a loop like this in a function is going to cost a lot of gas. Note, we want to keep things like this in mind when we're designing our smart contracts and data structures. Let's move down a little bit. So let's say we had 1,000 funders in our list of funders. That will be an extreme amount to manually reset and cost a lot of gas fees to do so. And this is what our smart contract will look like so far with our funder reset in action. So we're going to go to the withdraw function because that's what's going to take place. You can see here we have our for funder, address, and self.funders. And then we're going to say self.funder to amount funded, funder equals 0. And then we're going to clear the list out. So what's going on here is we're going to first reset all of the values to 0, which means we're going to erase all of the amounts that were funded. And then we're actually going to go to the funder list and erase everyone who funded anything to our contract. And that should reset everything to 0 so we can start fresh with a new contract. So that's the end of this for loop module here. We wrapped everything up and it closed. So tomorrow we're going to start with a new module. It's going to be the testing on Tenderly. Of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.